Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert picture into a text box in publisher document. So let's started. At first open your publisher document. In this video, I will show insert a picture into a text box. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for text box. Now draw a text box. Now again insert menu option. Now for click, then click for a picture option. Now click for a desktop. Now find your picture. Now for click, then click for insert option. That is. Then we show insert picture into a text box in publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.